As you can hear from these background noises, I got a wolf problem at my house. And these wolves keep biting me whenever I go outside. Every time I try to go to my car, they're nipping at my heels and they're trying to kill me. They wanna kill me so bad, so bad, so bad. Maybe I smell like beef jerky or something, but whatever it is, they fucking either they love it or they hate it. I don't know. They either love it or they hate it. That's for sure. These fucking wolves, man. It's insane. They're just wolves at my house. Who could live like this? Who could live like this? Maybe I'll commit suicide, cause I cannot afford to get a new house. I spent all my money and no one wants to buy in this area cause there's a wolf problem. It's really hard to get my money back out of this transaction. I spent way too much, way too much, way too much.